labels for open Wi-Fi networks rolling out now on Android 8.1. Any device running on Android 8.1 will soon display speed labels for open Wi-Fi networks, ranging from slow to very fast. One of the more useful changes teased with Android 8.1 was the ability to see the speeds of open Wi-Fi networks before connecting to them. After all, who wants to waste time trying a bunch of different public Wi-Fi networks only to find out that none of them actually work? Google's solution is to provide speed labels, and it seems like this feature will be rolling out to Android 8.1 users in the near future. If you are curious as to what these subjective labels mean, here are the speeds for each label. As Android Police points out, Google's support page gives a brief summary of what these speeds allow you to do. For instance, on a slow network, you can make phone calls and send texts. On an OK network, you can read web pages, use social media, and stream music. On a fast network, you can stream most videos. Lastly, on a very fast network, you can stream very high-quality videos. Judging by a recent Google Plus post by the official Android account, speed labels should appear on devices running Android 8.1 very soon. Let us know if you see this feature on your phone. Your source for all things Android.